coming to Aruba. It's my first time here and I have been so lovely surprised. The people here are so warm, so welcoming, and I can really just feel all the love and the passion you have here. Staying at Aruba Village has been an absolute blessing for me. This place is filled with relaxation, and this place, I would really just say that it have a soul. You come here to connect and to relax, and all the things they're doing for the environment and the nature as well. It's just really lovely to see. I learned throughout my whole Caribbean trip, and especially here in Aruba, that all of the Caribbean islands really take care and nurture their environment and really are making a sustainable future, and I think that is such a wonderful and lovely thing to see. And again, just being here at Aruba Village, we had a whole tour about what they do for nature, and again, it's just wonderful to see that some people actually take action and just don't talk, but they are doing something to make the future a better place. I will definitely be coming back here to Aruba one day as a tourist. Maybe one day when I have kids, I want to show them this lovely, lovely place, or else just recommend it to my friends and family because it's a wonderful place. Paradise on earth, as I call it.